You can see here is the broken display broken from here. You can see how I open this laptop. This is the most easy and simple way to change the front of laptop display. Okay, this is easily release. Now open the screw. You need to open it. After that, here is one clip. This is very simple way. Laptop display is glossy type. If you can try to buy a matte type display, okay, that display is good for eye. This is okay. Let's set up the display as usual. Now turn on the power. Let's see what happened. Display is okay, very shiny and crystal clear display. Windows is opening. Now attach the screw. This is very simple and easy way. You can change this display anytime. You can release the paper, or if you don't want, you can fix it for safety from dust. After that, just okay, viewers. Thanks for watching.